Right, although I thought and actually still think that the sort of jumping sensation could have been a result of the drive chain having quite a lot of slack in it, which it didn't have when I adjusted it up after moving the rear wheel drive line over. It has now. I think perhaps the small gearbox sprocket has been jumping through the links of the chain. But we're also up against this sort of clattering, knocking sensation that I was getting when riding the bike, which I initially blamed the chain guard for when it was fitted. I thought it was the top or bottom run of the chain clattering against the chain guard, but obviously there's no chain guard there anymore. I've got it in second gear, and you can hear that. That's what I'm getting when I'm riding it along in gear. That's backwards or forwards. It's coming from the gearbox. There's obviously some engagement dogs on at least one of the gears, almost touching against where they sort of locate when it goes into a certain gear. It does it in neutral, and it does it in all the gears, other gears as well as second. I'll put it into neutral now. That's neutral. You can hear that sort of ticking sound. I think I'm going to take the gearbox out and have a look at it and see if I can find what the culprit is. It's not trying to jump out of gear anymore, and third gear is fixed, but we've got this going on, and like I say, I can not only hear that when I'm going along, especially in first, second and third, but I can feel it. I can actually feel it through the gearbox casing a little. So I think I'm going to grit my teeth and get the gearbox out again and have a look at it. But I think this has been the cause of the snatching and jumping that I've been noting and filmed just before on the bike lift. So next up, yet again, the gearbox out. Have a damn good look at that.